Do you still think AI is something you can just choose to use later? I've got some news for you. That idea is already outdated. AI isn't waiting for your permission. Right now, it's reading, summarizing, comparing, and describing businesses all over the internet. Your website, your reviews, your social media, every article and video, it's all becoming part of the picture AI builds about your brand. So, the real question isn't whether you're using AI. The real question is, what is AI already saying about you? If you don't know the answer, you're not in control of your reputation. Now that might sound dramatic, but think about it. More and more people are starting their search for a product or service by asking they ask for the best provider, the most trusted option, the company that specializes in their exact problem. And AI doesn't just hand them a list of links like an old search engine. It gives them an answer, a summary, a direct recommendation shaped by all the signals it can find online. This means AI is becoming the new first impression for your business. Before someone even visits your site or books a call, AI may have already framed who you are, what you do, and whether you're even worth considering. Here's the problem. Most businesses are still playing the old game. They're focused on keyword rankings, running a few ads, and having a nice-looking homepage. But AI doesn't evaluate your business the way a traditional search engine did 10 years ago. AI is looking for clarity, consistency, and evidence. It wants to understand exactly who you serve, what you do, where you operate, and what makes you different. It's searching for proof that the rest of the web supports your story. If your brand message is vague, AI fills in the gaps itself. If your messaging is inconsistent across different platforms, AI just blends all that confusion together. If your strongest selling points are buried in a sales call or just in your head, I can't use them. And if a competitor is doing a better job of explaining their business clearly online, AI might recommend them over you, even if you're the better company. This is the part many business owners are missing. This isn't just about being visible. It's about being interpreted correctly. AI is not just finding businesses. It's forming an opinion about them. And that opinion can be incomplete, weak, outdated, or sometimes just plain wrong. When AI gets a brand wrong, the damage is subtle. You won't see a dramatic drop in traffic overnight. You'll just slowly become less likely to be mentioned, less likely to be recommended, and less likely to be seen as the obvious choice. That's how businesses start to disappear from this new decision-making process without even realizing it. The good news is, you can fix this. And you don't fix it with hype or by stuffing your website with random AI buzzwords. You fix it by building what I call an AI visibility infrastructure. This means making your business incredibly easy for AI to understand, trust, and recommend. How do you do that? You start by making your homepage crystal clear about who you are, what you do, who you serve, and where you serve them. You create focused pages for each of your services instead of using vague, marketing fluff. You publish facts that answer the exact questions your ideal customers are actually asking. You make sure your brand story is consistent across your website, your social profiles, your business listings, and your customer reviews. You turn your expertise into visible proof, not just claims. You give AI a clean, clear trail of signals to follow. Because when your signals are clear, your business becomes easier for AI to summarize. When your proof is visible, your business becomes easier to trust. And when your positioning is specific, your business becomes easier to recommend. That's the shift. In the old online world, just being there was enough. In this new world, being understandable is everything. So, if you've been thinking AI is something you'll deal with later, I'm telling you, later is over. Your AI presence already exists. The only question is whether you built it on purpose or whether the internet built it for you. And if the internet built it, there's a good chance it got parts of your story wrong. The brands that will win in this next era won't be the ones making the loudest noise. They'll be the ones giving AI the clearest, strongest, most trustworthy version of their truth. Because in a world where AI shapes perception before anyone even clicks, controlling what it understands about your business is no longer optional. It's a fundamental part of your brand, your reputation, and it's already affecting who gets seen, who gets trusted, and who gets chosen. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights on navigating this new landscape.